everybody. I just wanted to show you guys how I did this, just in case anybody else wants to do the same thing. 9 days ago I posted a build guide for this ship. So that's the prerequisite. You got to make this ship first, and then you'll be able to do this part. To take this shield generator and have it float right here, here's how I did it. So, I mean, you can put it there, but it doesn't stick. So if you want it to stick there, here's what you can do. First off, you have to create a snap point on the inside. So right now, it only has a snap point on the bottom. And so, like, we can snap this to it, that equipment plate. But to get snap points on the inside, what we do is take an Avon Tech block, and then you put a mini Nova bracer. That's for spacing. At first I did 3 Avon Tech blocks, but with the mini Nova bracer it puts it far enough back. Now those are attached to this. You can see this little bitty thing right here. This is the invisible quote-unquote habitat from the N1. So you got to get the N1, and then you take this Avon Tech block and put it on the front side of the invisible habitat. You can see the snap points for it right there. And now this whole assembly you put right there. And now with those inside the shield and the invisible habitat between the shield and the Avon Tech block, here's what we do. Remove both of these Nova cowlings from your ship. Then use left bumper to grab this whole assembly and snap that Avon Tech block onto this aft end of the main body. Now what I did, because of that little floating piece that sticks out in front, I made these not habitats. So this is, I could actually do a 3x1. Does Al have any 3x1s? Yeah, what's this? Workshop Armory, let's do that. Okay. So even with that floating piece in there, you can still fit a 3x1 habitat on the ship. And then all you have to do is put these pieces back in place to cover up that Avon Tech block. Oh, not like that. There it goes. And now it's floating. So I can grab the ship and see it stays. Now I grabbed these to show how to do other floating parts. So this invisible habitat is what I needed for this. But most of the time, if I'm going to make a part float, I use these matilija armor platings. So you could just snap that onto the side of something. And then you take this one. You can press left or right on the D-pad to switch the type. But as you notice, the snap points that are available switch. So this one can snap to that one, but if you switch to this piece, it can only snap to that one. And if you switch to this piece, these don't snap to each other, but you can snap them. You can snap the forward end to the aft end on each piece. So once you do that, you just put another object on here, like, I don't know, maybe this, you know, and then that floats. So that's how you can do floating parts. There we go, we're nominal. And that's how I did it on the ship. So that's it for this tutorial. Less than 5 minutes. I'll catch y'all later.